Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into Snap Kitchen, the prepared meal subscription service that promises to bring simple and freshly prepared meals right to your door. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out as we try a week's worth of their meals. Snap Kitchen aims to cater to the snap culture, where everything happens in a snap, from news to entertainment to food. With their ready-to-eat meals, you won't have to worry about chopping or cooking, just heat and eat. It's that easy. Once you sign up for their meal plan, you'll have the option to choose from about 35 weekly meals. From hearty pasta dishes to lighter options like grilled chicken and vegetables, Snap Kitchen has a diverse menu. They offer two simple plans: 6 meals per week for $76 or 12 meals per week for $126. The meals are eclectic, ranging from Japanese to Indian to French cuisines. However, there are limited plant-based and seafood options, and most meals are between 350 and 450 calories. I tried 6 of their meals, and while most were tasty, some fell short in portion size and beef quality. Snap Kitchen is great for portion control and calorie cutting, but may not be suitable for vegetarians or big eaters. For similar price ranges, Freshly and Fresh and Lean offer excellent meal delivery options. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, Mosaic Foods is a top choice with great plant-based meals. In the end, Snap Kitchen is convenient for those seeking smaller portions and calorie-conscious options. However, for the price, you may find better alternatives in the crowded meal delivery market. That's it for our review of Snap Kitchen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest tech and services. We strive to provide you with honest and insightful reviews to help you make informed decisions. So, stay tuned for more informative content from Product Critique.